always have to wear a mask everywhere I go. So this is the only part of my makeup that I'm going to do. You ain't gonna see none of this. So I'm only gonna do what you're gonna see. I tried to do my makeup before and you see what happened. Mask got dirty. So yeah, not doing that no more. But anywho,
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, we came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang.
I was getting ready and then I was like, hey, why don't I just record this? So, I think I'm gonna talk about friendships today. Now, why I'm talking about friendships is because I can't keep any. Now, it's not a bad thing. I don't see it as a bad thing. It's just like when I get tired of a person or I just feel like they're not any good for my life, you're not beneficial for my life, you know, I just don't see the point of being. I used to like, well, I ain't gonna say I have a problem with friendships. It's just like female friendships. Because most men I've been friends with, our friendships prosper, you know, like, and people be like, you know, girls and dudes can't be friends or whatever. It depends on who the people. Honestly, I really feel like with females, I get used a lot. As you guys know, I love doing makeup, I love doing hair. What females love getting done, their hair and makeup. So it's like, yeah, you want to be my friend, but you also see that I have a perk, so you try to utilize that perk. And I'm a nice person, but no. I be trying to be friends with females. I really try, you know, but they just annoy me. Drama over the dumbest stuff. And me, I'm just not I'm not a confrontational person, and I'm not a female person. Like, I don't kick it with females for the simple fact that they cause drama. So females is too insecure. That's another. Females are very, very insecure. Like, I understand if you're just insecure in general, but like insecure in a relationship, like, no. That I just never could. I'm not a good person to talk to about stuff like this. Come to me, oh, I think so-and-so cheating on me. Why you think you're cheating? Cause I went through his phone and I saw a picture of, you know, ass that wasn't mine. Yeah, he's cheating. Leave him. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't do this. I'm trying. It's just too hard. I like to hold my brow up when I do my concealer. This brush is trash, but it already had concealer on it. Yeah, I did. I'm nearsighted too, and this mirror is kind of far, even though I got like 1,000 of them around me. This one's the one I'm looking at. It's just, damn, my eyes. Like, I'm nearsighted, and ew. Y'all know what? I'm gonna do my brows and come back because it's just too much. Eyebrows done. Okay. So, what were we talking about? Oh yeah, friendships. I take friendship very, very seriously. I guess since my circle is really, really small. So, like, I give everybody opportunity. But once you kind of show me your true colors, like, show me who you really are, or you're like, ain't even that. Once you mess up one time, I'm kind of just done. Like, honestly, I am. I don't give you more than one opportunity to cross me over. I don't give you more than one opportunity to show me your true colors. Like, once you show me who you are, I'm gonna take your word for it. I'm gonna believe you, and that's it. I give you my all when you're my friend. But once I stop messing with you, like, I start messing with you tough. So, you know, a lot of them realize that. And, you know, they'll be trying to be my friend again and stuff. And, you know, it's all cool or whatever, but it's like, why? I gave you the opportunity to be a true friend the first time. Why should I give you the opportunity to mess up again? Oh, my hand is ashy. Lord Jesus. Put some. Nobody told me my hand been ashy all this time. My hands be forever ashy. Like, I don't know. You sure did it? I don't know. It's like when I hit 18, I just got ashy. Like, who ain't been in lotion? Like, who was like, I'm tired of seeing all this ash. Stop. I mean, everybody you know, everybody gets ashy, but like when I hit like 18, I'm telling you, I don't know if something happens to the Memphis water or what, but like I be stupid ashy when I get out the shower. One thing that's like a really big thing to me is if somebody don't like me and they told you something about me, whether it's true or not, it's just, why do they feel comfortable enough to tell you? If this person don't like me, if they ain't bold enough to come up to me and tell me, you know, what they don't like about me or why they don't like me, why they hate me pretty much, why should they feel comfortable enough to come up to you and tell you? Because you're supposed to be like, you know, them talking to you supposed to be like them talking to me, you know? If they feel comfortable enough to talk to you about me, knowing that you finna leave them and come be with me, then what you think they say about you, man? Yo, babe. Like, that's what y'all need. If people fake to some people, they fake to all people. No, ma'am, no way, Jose. But how I get this pink, honey? I ain't even. Whatever. What else I want to talk about? Let's talk about how this COVID then made everybody entrepreneurs, and I love it. That's my one thing. I do not want to work for the man. I do not want to work for anybody. I don't want to work for the man, the woman, the child, the pig. I don't care. I don't want to work for nothing. I want to work for myself. COVID made me quit my job. You go, COVID, because without you, I don't know. I really wanted to quit my job and just do hair and makeup full time. I just needed like a push, I guess, to do that. And COVID really helped. It really did. I don't know, I was scared to just venture out on my own, I guess. But COVID helped with that. It made me stop being scared. I didn't really have to quit, you know. Y'all just kind of laid me off, so you know what I'm saying? But yeah. I love that everybody's being entrepreneurs, but baby, y'all gotta come up with something different. Everybody's selling onesies or everybody's selling purses and sandals. Like, I mean, it's cool, but at the same time, we gotta do a little bit better. Keep it up, but do a little bit better. One thing that I think would change my mind about females, as far as I have female friends, is if I had like more entrepreneur-y type friends, like people that, you know, thought like me, didn't want to work for the man, you know, wanted to start their own businesses and stuff like that. When you ain't got nothing to focus on, of course you're gonna focus on the mess. Of course you're gonna focus on the drama. But if you got something going for yourself, you waking up in the morning looking at emails, you know, you waking up in the morning looking at vendor texts and stuff like that. You're not getting up checking your Instagram notification to see what little Billy John said, you know what I'm saying? I'm just packing on stuff at this point. I know you see it. I know you see it. I like my highlight really bright. Like, even that's what I could go for like a no makeup look and still gonna put some highlighter on, like this, like bing, like wake up flawless type shit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to do a wing. Ooh, I don't like this one. Well, I'll take that back. I don't dislike it. I just have others that I would prefer to use. Ooh. But yeah, once you get your wing, you can just kind of go back in and connect them. I love wings. Like, wings are the way to my heart. I didn't really want to put no lashes on. Like, really didn't. Like, I really don't want to. Tell you a secret, I hate putting on lashes. Like, I hate it with a burning passion. I do have some lash extension type of stuff that I bought from somebody. Like the lash extension fibers, I have those. I want to try them. This is by Milani. Lash extension fibers. They're literally like just fibers on a little spool. The focus. No, it's not me. It's just little fibers on no spoolie, but you just kind of put them over your mascara. And then it says apply another coat of mascara to seal. So they're just kind of coming off on the mascara spoolie. So I mean, some of them stayed, but I mean, I guess you see a little difference. Not much, but I don't want to put no lashes on. Under eye, a little pink. Not putting concealer or anything like that because. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with a little black eyeliner. This is gold. This now I have black. Damn, I just realized I stopped talking. Shoot. I'm not good. See, I told you, I'm not good at talking to people. I can't even talk to my damn self. I'm gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I'm just kind of done with my face, pretty much, honestly. Now we're gonna do the hair. Starting off with the wig cap, I just gel my own edges up or just brushing back some gotta be glue, whatever you want to do. A lot of people don't know the difference, like closures, frontals, and all that. This is a closure, which means it's just the closing part of the wig. This one I just put like adjustable straps on it, and then the cap is adjustable as well. Sometimes I put clamps. I don't really like clamps. I had this wig for a minute. I haven't washed it since I made it. This is 24 inches. But yeah, this is how simple it is to put on a closure wig. Put your part where you want it. Snap that strap on there. And voila. And you just line your part up how you want it. Mine's a little loose. I haven't tightened it. Okay. Yeah, I put the cap itself is adjustable, and then it has like the little clasp on it as well for extra security. And I do add combs if that's a preference of yours. I like to do my baby hair first, and then go in and do everything else. The amount of baby hair that I do varies day to day. Sometimes I don't like a lot of baby hair. Sometimes I don't like baby hair. And sometimes I want the sweetie amount of baby hair. I keep forgetting I'm supposed to be talking to y'all and this ain't a tutorial. But at this point, it's whatever. And I just kind of slap it on. Like if I was wearing full face, I would do my hair first. For this reason. And yes, it's a lot of baby hair, but I know baby hair is like something a lot of people struggle with, but honestly, it's the easiest thing to do because it ain't no right or wrong way, like, you know what I'm saying? Because usually I hate like these ginormous little things I got going on right now, but for the time being, that's fine. Get a little bit of gotta be and just and It just helps keep them down. You want to wipe it off the head. It'll be doing for you. This is Garnier Fructis Anti-Humidity Sleek and Shine Smoothing Milk. I had a serum that I liked a lot better, same brand, but I ran out. So this is what I got. My hair has been curled mostly since I've had it in, but I think I want to straighten it and taking some hair and just running these. These are the Duval flat irons. I just got these not too long ago actually. They were on sale. They were like some ridiculous amount. They were on sale for like, I think like, how much I paid for these? Like $70? Ooh, you burnt my what you call it. Dang. Ain't that bad? They do come with a heat protecting glove. So I'm gonna just lay the glove down and put those on top of it. I mean, I really like the glove, but it's just like, come on now, the glove and the stand would have been nice. This is a bad day to record, cause I'm just showing y'all how lazy I am. I guess I should title this a lazy chit chat get ready with me. I could do a lot better. Yeah, put all that in the title. Let me put some oil on my hair. It's a little I can't lie, I can't wait. I'm recording on my phone. I cannot wait until I'm done with this video so I can listen to some music. I think that's really the main reason why I don't be recording videos that much is because I record them on my phone, and so like while I'm recording, I can't use my phone, and so I'm like, do I want to not use my phone for that long? Let me get dressed. Buying pants is so hard for me. Like, okay, these jeans fit fine. Right up in here, perfect size. But right up in here on this thigh meat, honey, these hoes about to whoo. And then they got rips, so I don't understand, like, why it's still so tight. Like, I had a little butt or something so I get and don't mind my room, it's a little junky. I'll have a cleaning up haul on the video. But yeah, just keep it real simple. White t-shirt, fashionable jeans, and I think Air ones. I don't know shoes. My boyfriend bought them. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching